ngồi đây trước. Okay, so now you just take a seat here first, and I wanna show you in the train street here.
All right.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. So you can see that the train street is very close with you. That means later. But in this side later, you cannot sit in here. I have you to sitting in the over there. It's
Okay.
like the safer for you when the train coming. And you can see.
And when's the train coming?
And we have a time for the train coming over there. And we have the 3:15 train coming. Let me see about
We can't stay on this side?
15 minutes.
So we have to move?
Yeah, but later, don't worry. I already to set up everything
Okay.
for you. Yeah. And in here, you can order something. We
Alright.
have the coffee, the matcha, the yogurt, the juice, the tea, everything depends on you. Yeah.
Well, what do you want? You go whatever you want too.
Depend on you. If you love beer, I have later come out for you some of the beer.
Yeah, I'll do a beer. I'll do a, let's see, I'll try a Vietnamese beer.
You want to try Hanoi beer?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Yeah, Hanoi beer for
Okay.
you.
And
Yeah.
then what do you want?
I drink later.
Okay,
Yes.
all right.
When the train comes, we can't stay here?
When the train coming, you cannot sit in here.
You can't sit here.
But later you
Oh, you gotta be in the back.
Well, you can sit here. You can sit here, but you get squashed.
Oh, yeah, well, yeah.
Yeah.
That's fine. All right, go.
It's crazy, you see. Yeah.
No doubt.
You see that the house here in the train street, the first floor, they selling something, and they live from the second floor to up. Yeah.
Really?
And around in the train street here, just for the coffee, every corner is a coffee. That means they like the selling the place for the seating by the cup, one cup of coffee.
One cup.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, you just enjoy this.
All right. So we have to move at 3:15?
Later, don't worry. I already have you to preserve for you with the one seating in the over there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
That means you move inside. Yeah.
Okay.
Seating here is not safe. Yeah.
Okay.
And you see here is a bottle cap. Later, nearly when the train coming, I place a bottle cap here in the railway, and the train come it's flattened like a souvenir for you.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna do a little walk. I'll be back.
Yeah. You
Alright.
can walk and you come back
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
About 5 minutes you come back.
5 minutes? Okay.
You want to bring the beer to walk around?
Can I take my beer with me? All right. Let's go for a walk.
I'm waiting for you here.
All right. Whoa. Shit. This is called Train Street. I think you can see why. Pretty crazy. Oops.
זה 4,000 לסביב.
Not Engels made of so.
Can I
get a coffee anywhere.
And even walking across the streets or stuff like that.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't lie. Go hard.
All right. All right, let's do a turnaround.
The Maritimes. We're back.
I made a place for you sitting in the over there.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Move over there.
Okay.
That's the safe spot, huh? All right. I don't get squished with a train over here, huh?
You can sit here. I'm out.
You're heading out?
I'm not going to sit here. It's too tight.
It's cozy.
I'm not going to sit here. It's crazy, man. Right next to each other. Sit down.
You take that one, I'll take that one. It's cool.
I'll just stand. It's all right.
You sure? All right.
So
Take this
Dubai
spot.
has some good options. Like this one, but this yeah. And also they have
You're going to?
Okay, once the train comes, we'll resume recording, guys. Sit tight.